sekufika ixesha sovula noba ingcango zivalile sibafake ngaphansi kwepresha
Tops 15 updated. I'm broke. I'm broken. Uphumile bafana. Yabuza bafana. How are you? Okay. Uphumile. Yabuza le how are you? And then ke ngoku uzawuxoka wena uthi hayi great. So ke ngoku iyakuforce liba afuna ukuxoka. Join ungafili ngaphakathi. It's been a while. It's been a very while. But except now what's it? Yeah. Bravo. People check it. Location is better. Location. Yeah. As long as my senior card, I think it was 2005 that time. By the corrected, I stayed by this was all said. I'm not sure about it. You understand? Yeah. Mbuluke asla. As for the players, why you know Jaisha, Jabadu was to I standards. Coconut development till I back. Right? It's gonna is into the sun of Coco, like here, finally, the pharmaceuticals. Yeah, I call it aging at even back. I'm very good. Yeah, it's a similar thing. It's similar. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a similar thing. So, even back manager, like tablets. Even back? Yeah. Go if you go. As that. I think I think now when we go to Kalila and he don't reach G5 long time. Because I had a phone you I was on patch. Not that. I don't know because I think we make a little way human. So la know G5 even allow him at the summit. Yeah. Even kanti aba bantu njengoba kuthiwa ayisevotani ngoku bayo-elections ngoku ya khona things bebelembisa mamela mistake yabo iphile hayi ngalokhu i-DA esiphetheyo ntontoni ngapha kuthini same thing nabo nje phethe i-DA ngapha kanti kuyenzeka ngapha ne kuyenzeka. Oh yeah, based on my information, because you really just because the same company that did the roads I was working for. Yeah. You understand? So inequality unfair somewhere somehow. Somehow our people are respected. Corner I bet you corner credit. You understand? Because now what's happening is this. I feel back. La company again is Spanish, yeah. Take my family safer. What you are called to Omazo or my Kali are out of Spanish. Pia paving back. Paving back. Kuchiu. Abashali, not Tobapan. But enforced away. And it did happen. So was this one when you were assigned somewhere? No, I don't know about it, but I will show you why you come and for the news of selection. I must have. I bet you have. Get me. Serious, yes. Tina Sawaman. Go, the king or two of Valeo or the logo update. I'm a Putera Secas. lento mna bendicinga babhalele yona bengabhalelanga yona, so basically it was type of useless laa nto bayenzileyo.
Wena ucinga bavaleleko?
Lalela bethu, yabona phaa kula maplazi ngesibhano phaa isibhano sikhona, uthola ukuthi nxa ujonge ebhasini efondeni nguwo, hayi baba, hayi mina ngiyibali ngiwubali. You understand wena bro? Abantu bangapha kocingo aba bethu abantu bathini, yabo?
Yeah.
Because baba yaya kweza black bayabethwa phandle because thina mosandithi singaba bazobe bethetha bahiya incinci lemali intontoni yafustana nanemangezi asitholakali.
Hayi kaloku wayesiqalipeyile ngolwesihlanu.
Iyayifustana
ngolwesihlanu uba indine ekuseni.
yeah.
Uzawuthi
Now
ufike esibani sokuthe futhu.
yeah. Now ke ngoku into eyenzekayo bakhona abantu abafuna isibani detention abasebenzi, yabo? Phaa kula maplazi kweziblack abasaqashwa most yabantu abamnyama,
Yeah.
like abantu yabo i-residents azisaqashwa, kuqashwa abantu bangapha kocingo because umuntu wangapha kocingo khona njengoba kuthiwa uzofumana i-5 rand a day izwapha phaka everyday.
Izayithatha kaloku la 5 rand isezweni la ingafike ibe yi-100.
Laa nto bendicinga ababhuti nootata zabeyile besenza ngalo yana ile beyenza kanti bebengayenzi bona bafuna utransport.
Transport ntoni?
Aba bafunini abasifana iplasini,
So bona
so
bafuna
i-transport mane bafuna ithenda yoba
bafake imoto
la bajika mawayeke uva isayidi lonke zabo bazothatha abantu fanele, yabo? Based on the knowledge mna ndifumeneyo phaa kulaa nto biyiloo nto. You understand?
Yeah.
So to me it was very useless.
Okay. Since uncokola ngawe la majita ngapha kwecingo ke ngoku, andazizwa noba ubuke u-active kangakanani kwi-social media. Ucinga ntoni ngalawe ye-March and March?
Le bebeyivulile kuthiwa bayalutha nolutha le nto yabo.
Khona ile nto za i-March and March, i-movement or i-organization March and March. So into abayenzayo beqale bakhalazela ngale way yoba ubone la system leya yezigila xa ufuna uaplayela umntanakho
online.
Yeah. So bakhalazela into yoba xa usithi uyi-South African phaa bakufuna ii-documents ezininzi ezi-unnecessary, but ke ngoku the minute uthi uyi-foreigner bafuna nje affidavit qha esuke police station.
So is it smart or dumb? Ithini yakhipelite?
Dumb.
Very stupid.
And then ke ngoku listen what happens, abanye bayithesta ne benza ntoni, umntu wathi phayana wathi uyi-South African,
foreign.
unguyi-South African, wathi uyi-South African ne wafaka zonke eza documents phaa kule nto za kwi-process. Xa igqiba laa way uba izawuthi submit kwathiwa isikolo sigcwele, watshintsha same person, wathi uyi-foreigner wafaka i-affidavit wadwadla umntana. Simelephi esa space ngoku?
Yazi wena ndibonile.
So amajita ke ngoku lawo i-March and March belwela loo way, aqala ngaloo way, and then ke ngoku kwenzeka ele way ye-drugs nentontoni la majita undocumented. So babhizi bale nto qha ke ngoku bafumana i-backlash from government uthi abekho authorized uba bangenza le nto bayenzayo bona. Iyafana ne-similar work ne-Operation Dudula. Yeah.
Yabona wena andithi ngikubonise ngemini. Up until thina we can get, yabona mfethu, hayi zedwen ezabhano zapha
Ziyaduma.
kusezamuko
Jona ngoku zisuke eDurban zahamba zayofeyisa la majita kumbona phaa East London. Nigerians kwendini zifake iking yazo phaa.
ndibonile
Gcoba iking yazo. How can uyoba yi-king kwenye ile nto ze-foreign country? How?
How stupid?
Yeah, only disrespecting her.
How stupid is it?
Do you think when ungakwazi uthathile ntuza yakho apha uwele nje apha eZimbabwe uwele nje fast okanye yeke iZimbabwe usithi iMozambique
Uyobhesha.
ufike phayana ufake ivenkile yakho phaya konini be-my friend cinga uba bazayivumela loo nto
Mandela age. Oh, Jack. Yabona lentweni lawo. Nigeria.
Yeah.
Nigeria sigcwele apha ne?
Ziimiliyoni zigcweleyo.
Much. When the moment you're living there, you are escort.
Uyayescotwa.
Uyajongwa.
Uyajongwa. To a point yoba bafuna ube ne-return ticket. Ungayolenda nje.
Ujongiwe uba odentoni ipizza. Ekutheni le pizza masiqale seyijonga le pizza yalo jita bayinantoni. You understand?
Yeah.
How stupid are we thina kule country? You understand? Because now what's happening is this to the country natural. And you try to so this part of the sinasiwe but the thing that needs to happen now. So in fact pension yes.
365 but 78, 90.
Isibhekekani ngaloni
umthetho kaloku usetwa zizwe.
Kodwa Jack kuthiwa ngoku xa ufuna usipakile ethile you have to have experience and education yakhona notshelana elakake uba ngu-minister of sport lakakazanga yakhaba bhola. You understand?
Yeah.
Yoba ngu-minister of ntoni you don't understand shit that's going around. Khalali kutheni bona bekwazi ungena thina singazungena just because inganayo qualification yoba ndibe yi-parliamentarian ntoni balele mina ngiqale ndoyididisa kodwa khange sididise sapho.
Uba uye-Cater kwanjeni awuzukwazi ungena. Fanele uqale ube yi-Cater kutheni kukhona i-political parties ezingaka. Because ziyayazi uba the only way onofumana ngayo isipani ube grand kuba ube ne-political party. Kwenzela uba uzawuyofumana ke ngoku ezasala. And then ke ngoku bezathenda ukwazi uzibethe emnqwazini.
And ke ngoku Jack kule mide besenza ngohlobo nje we are only going fucking down.
Very fast futhi.
Down and ke ngoku kulaweli yana fethi izawuchana thina nengcosi zethu ingcosi zengcosi.
Asikabulisi lethu opposite business lock up. Hey, what up guys? Thank you for watching. Ayanda here. Ayanda Fanich. Sibuyile back by popular demand. Subscribe, like, share, dislike, bayafuna just to be sure about dislike ile nyani. Phinda umcofe la dislike ukwenzela uba sizoyibona imessage yakho. Comment no comment uba ufuna ntoni. Lonke uxhuphana singayenzi kahle mhlawumbe. Futhi sayazi. Yeah.
At the end of the day, by the city tayo mhlawumbe ayiva okanye understand better. Catch is always open. That's the base, right? In front of a camera so that I don't like hypocrites.
Masinqoboleni ngezidlumzi.
Yeah. See who chase and who chase.
Yeah. So Tio lewe yenza njani? Ezigaba zeparliament.
Mfethu wakwayibukela ilaluka i-sitting yase Britain. Eparliament. Awuhlala supply slangu pha. Umuntu awele sabhaku khona uyokhabe imidoda because into umbhaku. Understand? Kulungiswa umuntu. Yeah, understand?
Looks isintu.
What? Don't you speak? Speak. It's like to be well, that's all. Because uthethe ububhangi uspeak. Utshonisa abantu aba kaloku ikhandle khanda.
And you can't
Hayi community lethu.
ayoyabi ikhandle.
Hayi community yalahlisa le. yabo enawe wena mfethu jonga ngoku kule blender lesandokwenzeka ngoku yeyalibo thina first so if factors ibe ezingadibana foko nathi just because of baba abantu pha stupidity le yenzeka pha
sizasibhanga sinemali ezi-orange ezizasibhanga siqalela wo for uba sikwazi ukufihla eza-files ziphaa ku-Epstein
Epstein hey mali esigalela kancinci
because nayo iyavela
upha kaloku ijonga Epstein kaloku hayi
zigala zitya abantwana fithi 6 shit imagine mfondini
13-year-old lakayibetha phezulu
not even a 13-year-old bra ukazula nto bakwazi ukidnappa umuntu pregnant mhlawumbi useza ushekelwe iveki for bazali umkidnappa ezakhakha gqiba kwakho uzala umntana imbethe box sane libomvu bra
background behind
allegedly but i-files is out there just saying allegedly because I'm normal and affording a lawyer
no social good thing
but it's out there ziwe ezisik lamajita bekade ezenza zezi bazama uziquma ke ngoku baziquma ngalewo ingabhadlanga and ke ngoku esisibhanqa singuTrump sona asifuni uba siyasetyenziswa le not Iraq Palestine not
it's Palestine yeah next to Iran
ikhona libhizi kaloku ifuna u-eradicate Palestine but ispaniswa yiyo la country leya kaloku ifuna ucima iPalestine ingabikho phaya Israel yeah Israel ifuna ucima iPalestine ingabikho because bathi bayawu-owna namhlaba due to i-biblical history
that's when I feel to check anyway and that seemed very interesting in a sense of if I am
tower
laa nto yabo bayenze musecollege ngoku it's Ghana Nigeria and egqibela benze i-collision whereby those countries now they will have ilanuka i-currency in-one there are no borders you understand la currency yabo njengoba izoba kuthiwa i-50 afro yabo Africa Unite yeah United States of Africa whatever now la 50 it's about $250 USA 51 Afro 50 Afro whatsoever
kaloku umjita ingathi imission yakhe iwulandela ezihlangwini zalamjita uGaddafi
yeah
so ke i-country apha e-Africa I think zi-52 if not 53 so how did he come about with 50
kaloku ngu-50 laluka like basically pink 50 rand i-currency yayo in dollars is gonna be 250
vele kaloku i-dollar isenawumandla ngoku
yes lalo ke ngoku la majita yenzayo you understand and if ever thina like ezi countries zethu aba bantu bapha babhadlile oma-85 aba bapha bababhadlile wena awuthiyam I think thina we stand a strong chance because sina-petrols nayo sinazo i-minerals awuthiyam
yonke into
even into lale yontontoni
uranium
ilapha so basically we don't need anything from anyone we can just do
kaloku ezi zibhanqa zethu fethu xa letuza zona xa zisiya phayana eBritain uditheni
njengonointwa lapha
inaugurator imagine unguba lapha apha eSouth Africa, uvotelwe City apha eSouth Africa, and then ke ngoku uyothwala ile ntuza ngapha esidanga ngaphaya eBritain, kodwa uvotelwe City apha. I'm vota for it.
Not going to do that.
Vuliwe futhi ngoku elections.
I am not going to do that.
Why?
What's the reason?
What's the reason why?
Useless. It's very useless to vote for yourself.
Yeah, it's ubakala because indaba yevote it doesn't have to be way soccer. Ubone ngokuba ufake Kaizer Chiefs waya noba iyatyiwa yaluze ithini awumuva uthini. Indaba yevote uba uyambona uba KMK ngathi ithetha le nto ndiyifunayo uyivotele. Xa ingathi iyabhayiza ujonge enye ingathi ithetha le nto uyifunayo uyivotele.
Now women, we just clearly thethayo yabo. Aba bantu siyabasupport. You understand? Siyabavotela, siyaya kwintontoni yanasenabela fethu so that those people should get the and make a difference as babesisho uba ndizawuthi ndithi. Yabo? La ndithi ndithi you don't fucking do that once a day. Athe ngixelela nangoku kule ndawo ndihlala kuyo i-drain ziyi-2 xaphe phaa France xaphe ngapha kwamba amanzi esewage apha yabo ikhona ifolo motsha ceba uhlala apha ngoba sisitarato kuyenzekile there's no difference.
Uzokucela ukuba akanapower yena.
Akanapower njani? You can make the call.
Uzophethwe yi-DA.
You can make the call. You understand? Ndikuxelela mna apha funa apha Roosevelt esimandibele ngoku apha Roosevelt. After 30 minutes or an hour, you talk. It's so rich, 60 minutes, we have to get a car, because I don't tell. So I goes. When you go about to literally 3 days or 4 days a week, I would say expect you to get a couple of hours, shall I not take out? Because I don't know how to sell out. You have your own get a meal. For the other band, what was you next week Friday? Yeah, go ahead.
And the way I think ilokishi are your priority.
The thing is, the people that are there, they are so dumb that they never accept any shit that's brought upon. But also, you can't buy. Hi, okay, serious. Subcontractor. I saw you lapha. Maybe. Akukandakani uzongena ifinance university ethayo. What is stopping us? Thina basiyenze loo nto. Fanele nabo R30. Ngiyabo N1. Angu R30. Isibhanga zithi madodo yayo zotshisa elokishini. Beka amataya phaa kwa-30. Xa ubhale u-R30 ovala phaa kulaa ndawo le ingathi yeneyi. Khona musa interception le iphumela uvalisa interception zoyi-2 amaplasi ayezima phakama ingalo abayilungisani le nto yaba bantu bayasokolisa because we're not making money for the day. You understand wena bro?
Yeah.
That's how simple life is. That very stupid thing asingakazi ukubona loo nto leyo. Sifuna uyotshisa elokishini apho uhlala khona.
How do you mobilize iways njalo?
Iways nje yawe
amaqhawe ngoku amaqhawe emaqabane.
Iways nje yawe ngaphethu zinida abantu abaneplug. But ke ngoku ndinganeplug ndodwa okanye sibe neplug siba yi-5, it's not gonna make any sense.
Singaneplug sibaninzi phaya but xa iphuma izawuphuma noyi-1 and kuzawukwenziwa umzekelo ngaye futhi.
Awuthiyam ndithi if thina uyakwazi le nto le ndithetha if thina siphakama ezisizwe sibe ne-backbone for nenithambo lomqolo
Yeah.
Anything can happen. Esifunayo. You understand?
Masivele sithathe amazulu sozisapha ekhaya.
Masoboleka pha ibheke abantu
siyoboleka.
Uyasena ngaphethu. Because asinayo tu into ezophuma nomuntu ufike xathetha uthi usibhali, usibhali. Yethu. Wena uzama into yoba wonke umuntu abe satisfied akwazi ukuphila ngale ndlela aphila ngayo. You understand? Check. Yabona umlambo? Umlambo lo waselokishini umlambo lo. La mlambo mfethu buvaya 24/7 each and every day kuphela unyaka uphinde uthini. You know what's happening now? Wavala kwenze igama pha. Ela dama li supplier onke lamaplaza uyongena for the stop. Do you know that?
Yayazi uba likhona idama phayana
Supply amaplaza.
Belikade lithela amanzi apha emlanjeni.
Supply amaplaza. Those people are not buying electricity when outside. They have their own power station there. They have a water system there. You understand? Ucoba bavaya bayozithengela lamanzi wabo. Njengoba kuthengiswa amanzi bayozithengela amanzi lawana imfuyo yonke into ngomlambo. Lo thina singenawo ngoku. Umlambo uzawuvulela nxa kunethe 100%
kugcwele eliya.
bese la uzawude ayovela amathunzi endleleni ngoku. You understand? Because i-prop hall siyaqala. Naba abantu bethu bakhona sibavotela oceba bethu omeya. Fuck.
Do you think ungamnika le nto uzumshiyela i-chance? Uba what 18 ngepla what ayibalekelayo?
Umshiyela ngimnika i-chance bethu. Yabo? Because
even though ANC kwayena
ndingamnika i-chance because ndibona umsebenzi kaloku awusiyami. Productivity. You understand? We are pusher. Now we're not knowing, we're not even sure what's up man is talk to us.
Ingxaki ile ntoza ifear yam is that wonke umuntu xa eselapha ezantsi esarhulaza you can see isibani sakhe.
Sure.
Genuinely so. Mhlawumbe yena uzinikele nyani genuinely so. But ke ngoku there are people above yena. Ewe silenoza sizamvotela simbeke phayana. But ke ngoku there are people above yena, i-decision makers. Yena uzathi sithi nanti wey bekuthiwa khawuma kancinci wena size busy nale ngoku. And then ke ngoku siyaphinda thina siba agitated basuka bayafana kakade.
Yabona ke kulelo ringayo ne. Sithi okay, let's see siyamnika a chance. Right? Now it will depend on kuye yena. Bayisikweleti sakhe still because throughout this time lesifana into ezithile uyazibona ba umshera bekhe wathi. You understand?
Yeah.
Much. Now when you get there koko muzaba abantu bangaphezulu. Yabo? When attitude yakho towards those people xa ubona babayabhanga thina.
Basically kaloku la majita lawa they can take you out anytime.
Not only abantu. Awu bazonesewusizo nje enyeke ngabantu.
Bayakureshaflisha.
Kwenini xa sekuthiwa ndibekiwe esiqoqweni the-president
bayakureshaflisha because kaloku
bazakuganisha lithi hayi yo nanku uyahamba warepha wathini abantu bayibona into. They know what's baluka yintoni right yintoni wrong le beyithethwayo. Yonke laa nto noba bangazama ukupeyinta bathini. If wena you are doing lo msebenzi suppose uyawuyenza hoye abantu bakho aba bakubeke phaa. Uyakuzana wena bro?
Yeah.
Nazo ezibhalo kuza kuthiwa zibanjiwe ntoni ngoku siva izitori eziphumayo emasayidini ngoba kwathi.
Jonga ile ntoza ivaya njani. Uyabo mhlawumbe uzawuvotelwa ne ayifumane u-white 8. How guaranteed uba uzawuba nayo ipower okanye i-influence yoba akwazi usebenza alungise to the next world?
Asinayi-guarantee alone. You don't have he is the one that's gonna know whether I want to do this. This is the purpose. eyona nto ke apha beyifuna befuna rectify into you understand? So ezawube wathi yena afika besesixoxweni angakwazi uzirectify, that means process yonke la.
Mshira, you are needed. Once again, invitation has been sent out.
Right? So that's it. Yeah, what's that on, bro?
On a lighter note, how's your life, bruh? What's the update?
Yeah.
Well, what's interesting? Is expressed Papa.
No, bro. Well, yeah, I could say that's fine in a way.
Pelo, bonum.
I think it's Yolanda or Yonela or something like that, and Libana Gama Lag. You are a poster. Jama Bignet.
Oh, Yonela Poponi.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah.
Miss, yeah.
Yeah.
So, Miss, I posted up. Now, I need to post it. Massage. Oh, so I have a Kanda for a lot of people were expecting that these people were going to come probably by those Havaya, a John the Bayan, the town road, Yazala. Guess what? It's not even G5, Mushaba, G5 is a ass, and Mushaba for the Landera, it be smooth, Uti, it's smooth like chocolate. It's smooth like chocolate. Very stupid plan of it, waste of money and resources. That could have happened to go build the unit. No, they waste there. Can you go there much? Yeah, understand?
Wait till Kumbula Moks are busy. Episode yeah, but city tire dura. How about you? Bias was in Donitura in Donispanai. Ilula way. If we jonga color pie segileni, Ubuzanga, Patoti among Mabin, we are Paku and Ancestral pavement. How about we do that in Wuku? We learn with Gratozone. And here, any Indo of another Yenze again. Mavens were line by line, street by street. Get a no, you win the strategy one. How about even was exactly?
To make it very simple, well, I'm fit, to minimize the expenditure.
Yeah.
Take those rocks, ready mixed. Do that shit. Pagamake is over here. As of Bandelela, for the white potholes is on.
Well, to believe motors
as to believe because it's like paving the way. Kamaki taking rocks, even allowing that Bamaki. Well, now you but you just doing something so that also so yeah, understand my problem.
Yeah.
Kaloku Jema was la ready mix na Kamaki was mambo what. I bet you crane to a ready mix on top. Evaluate until I'm sure before a day or 2 days so that it will work. We understand our approach. Now, plan how are you plan since the cement la ready mix, you lays or yes, you want to have to make that it's so I'm about to pan, it's going to be a concrete road. Yeah. This is to minimize expenditure, I was to spend on for the magic. Instead, buy in the base center. La sala lebi la into.
Chief.
Apa endleleni fakwezi zimi kwela flats apho ngaphume Robertson yo njengoba yena Robertson Road kwecala Hex nentoni la ka
Hex River
ngiyo nayo Hex River le ayipha apha manento na I think you see his flat man is here ngathi orange nentoni
yeah
on the other side of the circle bekuthathwa amatshe isanti bingathemba thatha amatshe khona umshini ocrashayo ucrasha ilanga
yeah
crash beyisanti kokhiwa ngaso kuthini minimizing expenditure. Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
So there are a lot of ways of cutting to get rent. Cha abantu baphezulu izidingo zo dijomo
abafuni kalofowethu
abafuni improvement
abafuni
tumfethu kodwa cala ngihlale asla ngokufanele asla bekukho iphuzu ngibona ndile usisivile abangabazakala ugogo nabazoqopa nalapho
ugogo ubhizi campaign ekuvuleni konini campaign ejozi
ugogo bengimlindele bazovela lapha zoqopa
kuthiwa makazoqupha apha edanuni
when you to make it in now kadamile fondini pha manje now you have to think you have kids bazophuma njani pha this way lakwazi ukuthi
amanzi bakudamela otiyadi khona ubona imoto ziyadada
yeah understand kubekho omama fondini omakhulu abahleliyo ngoku as we speak mama othile iyadi yakhe yonke isidamile manzi shit Opegayo, Okamisayo, what are you breathing? Kak. Doesn't make no sense to me. Don't make no sense. But then, I'm not a bad person. The Nello opinion on Facebook. Literally, I'm ready. You are going to looking. Ready for anything. Literally. Different challenges or other challenges steps about you understand?
Say no to violence.
I'm not saying no to violence, I'm saying yes to violence if we are phones. Because at the end of the day, I think I sit at because of born from a certain perspective. You understand? Sibatala bafuna ukukaba zowazi khabani
no asikho lapho for
joking
babele
ikhona lento chuko nje ndifuna uza kuwe ngoku
dala likulindile lowe
yeah ikhona lento ngale but at the end of the day bantu bakuthi inyani mayibe inyani ukuxoxa ibe ukuxoxa at least masipushaneni to the correct landloka.
We need to speak about izinto is uncomfortable to speak about.
Yabona ngoku iphelile nalalo bendibona ngathi kuzoba yi-movement. You understand? I like most of the Shabana who is going to do if you call it social.
Yeah.
You understand? It's going to go on for about 2 or 3 days. That's it. Abandon in this killer. You understand?
You search a big
sexual processes with the bonus processes as sexual and man. Yakalina you pay it.
Active, Galuk.
Wait
for something to happen before no
yes. If yes also you understand? Now going back the not going church as well. I'm a father. You understand? Even what German did to my ass to buy this one only for any take a look in Mozambique. Take my little if you can was from hand. You understand? What is a CG? Oh, it can't. You look to Bula. It's a calm. You understand? Because of the Kulan and mentality, you buy life here, no license in which you have to Bull. Where else you can consult, take a non was my friend. You understand? I don't know why I'm communicate you. The fuck? We have a lot. Japan. The light today? Yeah, it's like a solar. Sorry, sorry, sorry for the family that came out, they had to lose a child. Sorry for Mama that had to lose a child. You understand?
Yeah.
Lose a woman as the answer ignorant. Yeah, herself. You understand? You want to let your kitchen? Go with memorial service. Memorial service, you're light. Picture a big way apart.
I was going to picture of it. Yeah,
each and every picture, like I go on the way I train, then I think he was about 15 or 16, I'm not sure. But two pieces of bookers. I'll say the group it's very disturbing this way. He has ignored shy behaviors when man was born. Now, when you have to bow your taste a land of provisional, boy. You understand? It was more Kukolo, Walumzali, Ubulele, ne?
yeah.
Kukolo, Uktushida. Who's to blame? Who are you blaming in that situation? The mother of the one of the deceased or the doer?
Both.
You understand? Now, I say about blame, where are the shit? To our face or my face? Still waiting.
To play devil's advocate, you can't always be in spaces where Ilanduza in Mosiako is at all times.
If you remember the future that it takes a village to raise a child. Umdana se next door umdana. Umdana la pesta penu umdana. Mtinga zumbugela echon umdana stili but manza ama rectify ile ezo umdana ako wena ngumza alufuna ubama ngesikhathi uthini kuba niluzulana. That means you're fucking in your head. Because ngomsana ngomsa uzobakho la ntanzoyo ngubani. You understand?
Yeah.
Stupidity. Asisijongene izinto esizenzayo kwinto esiyenzayo whereas in a community abantwana bethu fanele bakwazi ngomso nangomso bakwazi uzimela kwiways zabo. You understand? Not uba ngoku if laa mntana uye watripeka wawaphana fanele umama wakhe aze azobetha umhlaba. Ingolo hlobo because they want to blame abanye abantu umuntu angaziblame yena ba ndimoyenze ndibile. Yeah, because surely all it is like this, they're born as like this in this post style, on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook. Yeah, born like that, it's all of the same as Somalia, and you're telling us Somalia.
Everything goes.
Mtana ukuyamba ngangena endlini unuke emphi unuka yela ndoka yenzawo ntoni wena ungumuntu omdala ipolicy lakhe time lakhe uthini aphatha shela. You understand? Now, what's second, the guy flock, you want to blame everybody by yourself. Don't do some blame. Even maybe provision upon what we born about every young. Vamaises of Talela by Excel, Mukala wood. Muzal, never touch. Yeah, here, fucking life is exciting.
Yeah, because of when la meeting
got cancelled. You're in Bula.
Alamvula yayisenza kakhulu la mvula leya.
Bani bephethe isifo semvula?
Besiphethe sisibhamu kodwa that's all I can say. And do we know ukuba iye yaphinde yashedulisha for?
No, we're still waiting for a call out the choice, because it was supposed to happen in the week, but then I'm coming to Somalia feedback because the child also put the event time. But I know you may have some early schedule for in the week. If there's a one second, probably now the heart is down because of a session, no session. We understand? But that shit needs to happen so that it is what it is. I said the proper fit. Actually, the thing is, I won't learn a escalating. Yes, what about that from Angela? What did that fool? Because Jumbo Amba. Now I'm going to my punch. Escalating now, one. Information, go
Release 10, there's a boon,
well, I was not know John P.
Zaba creepy, I
was asking no one know John P. But it's a sugar card. Someone on the Nepal. Nalepa, now you're thinking like I said, where is Bonani? You understand? What's in Uzali? What's the parent saying?
Abazali baphume ekuseni esigendlini bashiye abantwana and umntana uzakubuya early esikini.
Mamela, umzali akazophuma early every day uyesibani. Isiketi somntana uzithole. You understand? Uncosi yakho leyana.
And ke xa kusenza iwashing awuboni wena basipha utshani esesiketi.
Ke ngoku mamela wena out yam. Ba umuntu uspanisa mindset. Ufuna ubhurisha into ezoba nephucuka okanye something going forward. Uyazi ba at least for the 5 plan local 5 things. You understand? Isiketi sakhe at least noba singabetha akho ghost. Because into elandelayo ngoku umntana wakho uzashayiwe engasunderstand. My sister Loas, I put up on Facebook, you know, say I can have it in two, and that is so do I rip what you sold. But well, yeah, only way I ask, go every film sort of land as gather inside. We are not now, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going to done about the other because you prove whatever the fact that you do. Yakho ngokuyiqalile ngokuphuma izandla fanele ubize community where else you were there alone incwadi yakho manje abana lo mama kasibani sesikhamba ayixelela wena zawe kuba iyazibona musinayo apha kuwe ba oh la tendency lo mama kasibani bani na siko lapha endlini futhi life is life.
Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. I have a few announcements to make up between you. Few announcements. Announcement number 1. As Babuchilo, Danger no Kazim, nominated for Imamas. Yeah, Imamas. So they need support here to Esikasi. Let us all please vote. I think SMS you want yeah. So if we can all vote, and yeah, also Black Calamari winner, and I think is a 2. Yeah, if not mistaken, it's a winner. And then but siyakwazi khaleni ba iways zenzeka like very fast hush yabona jonga ngoku i-awards next week kulate ngoku
sawuthetha nabo nxa bephuma bebuyayo bemali basithenga
So if we singayenza ngolo hlobo, please ngizawufaka la poster apha kule news somewhere up screen with all the details uba uvota njani wenza njani. And then if siyakwazi mhlawumbi noba ufaka lo 10 rand, 5 rand, 2 rand
towards the cause.
Uzafaka pha Capitec. Uzafaka ikhadi likamjini Capitec. Izawuya kuye direct kwenzela uba at least sincedisane nee-cost zabo
Transportation,
transportation, ukutya naxa bekwelaa cala, because le nto la exposure nala opportunity will mean a lot emajideni, because we know they are the best, and they should be somewhere there. Just that it's
kwalabeza narisha kwalatekasi kaloku so that nazi ezinye developments ziphinde ziyeke naba bantu basiphetheyo sibavotelayo bazokwazi ukuthi hayi art and culture
suppose baya-endorser, this is something good, this is for a good cause. It's just that
niyadisappointa
sinengxaki ekasi
disappointa bantu abasiphetheyo baselokishini niyadisappointa naba baphaa kwamasipala disappointa manifethu hayi
ekasi ulenuza
fanele ubhale negama
ngaphandle kwaloo nto bona baza kusapota after everyone else has already been supporting you. So they need you to go out there, uyoba successful, kwenzela uba bazokusapota bakuclaime. Before bakusapote bazaqale bakuclaime. Hayi ndiyamazi bani, uhlala phaa ngasekhaya, wathini. But what have you done to show support? So please, support. And then there is another one. I-High School Drama Festival, zokukhanya kwelanga zizavula ngoMvulo. Umvulo izabe nini date ngoMvulo?
30th.
Yeah, izavula ngoMvulo. Ngomso yi-27. Yeah, ngomso yi-27 ziyavula ngomso. So please be on the lookout to the social media pages zabo na website www.ukukhanyabelanga.org. Ziyavula
Ukukhanya siyeza bafana, we are coming again. We would like to see some new talent, yeah. Mhlawumbe nathi saw actor siyazi.
So we were busy with the AGM, annual general meeting. So yeah,
It's quite exciting.
good things are coming. Good things are coming, and also please be on the lookout and support us as much as Siyazama Uspana. We are a non-profit organization or company. We don't pay, but we rely on fundraising, like sponsors, funds from the community, businesses. So please, anyone to funa ufaka isandla, monetary, service yako, anything at all, udibane noZanopolo James, photographer, niyamazi. Uleno zafaka inamba yakhe apho kanye ihandle yakhe.
Yeah, you see, what's gonna happen is this. Yeah, anyway, in terms of for the support. Support is a need. At the end of the day, on our side also, it's not that we're doing anyone any favors. We felt that, okay, our voice needs to be heard so that the economy is sikhuphe information egrand yoba okay sharp noba kuphume isibalo okanye kuyafumaneka into ntoni ziwe esizawuzalo engayazi. You understand? Now these very same people that we're voting for, these same people siyabavotela, but the support isn't there. I think there was a time whereby sesacela oceba ntoni bakhe bavela ithini kangoku loo nto ngabo ithini, because it's not laa nto lowana mfundini besizamkhupha kwischedule sakhe besizayenza ngeschedule sakhe nxa efree akwazi usivulela ba okay jonga we understand. Kukho iinto ezenziwayo mfundini apha elokishini ufike no ndibona izolo namhlanje yenzeka kukho intontoni training yantontoni
Abanye abantu abazazi ezinto.
you understand, those people abayayo phaa kwizaweni They don't even benefit. Do you know that? Because it's like now central bills are so funding for whatever low part time. Fanele ngoku kukho i-red tape ende ingapheliyo ungayaziyo bayithini. Uyabusana wena mfethu?
Yeah.
Kukho abantu abangaqhubekanga nesense sokuba umuntu wafumana i-chance yoba makayogela thini but ke ngoku ngoba ndibe-grey ngezandla skills ndinazo so nxa ndiyapha kulaa lwimi uyabusana ndithole izandla abashoshosho nxa uyabhafanini dololo kuthiwa hayi awuaplayi awuthini
Awukho kwi-database warawara.
I think noba lisendinayo into ephaa koma 11, 12 years database yakamasipala zange
Zange wathola leyo.
zange ndafowunelwa nangemistake kuthiwa hayi ngomnyama.
Kuthiwa okanye yibazobuyela kuwe.
Uyaunderstand? Oko. Uyaunderstand? Kuzo zonke izinto sizenzayo ewe ziyabonakala ebantwini abathile but nalayo uncama nje umuntu umbona phambi kwakhe.
Uthembu ngeke afake nesandla. Xa uyabona uba uyayenza le way iyakuncoma. Umncomo wakhe awuncedi nganto le.
Gqibele naso kuphela manje asisoba manje.
Guys,
Masiva.
siyafumaneka izikipa.
Yeza ufuna amabhloko okanye ufuna updated uzazikhethela.
Uzazikhethela. AC, mental health AC. We try to spark, start a conversation. Ba xa sibuza impilo wena xa uphendula are you really okay okanye nje ubone kuba sewuqhelile ba andishabu fethu grand wena
Kuthiwa nakunceda ukhala.
Khala. So this is updated Lena. It's authentic classic if ufuna nje urocka iwe simple engangcoliyo, this is it. And then we don't sell equality apha thina, we sell value. We sell value, not equality.
Yeah.
And then on that note, please guys, subscribe, share, like, dislike, just to be sure.
Ndixelele phaa kwi-comments okanye undethe kufesti hayi loo mera apho undethe khona ngoba kwami ndixelele bazokala sihlale phantsi sincokole face to face phambi kwabantu.
If ukhona i-announcement that you want us to spread across, please reach out ukwenzela uba sizokwazi ufumana information and then spread the awareness of whatever that you
we're also doing a business.
Come.
Sakufaka.
Come.
Kuthiwa ushata kabukani kuwuthathe. Ushata kabukani kuwuthathe izwakala sakufaka.
Peace.